This time I'm going to show you how to paste the values of a calculation without pasting the calculation itself. So in the left-hand column we have the starting values, and in the right-hand column we have the calculation. So what I want to do is I want to take everything from column A and add 10 to it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say it equals A2 plus 10, and that gives you 15. And the great thing about Excel is that it's intuitive enough to see that I am going to copy down, and it's going to copy the equation down. And what I mean by that is that it's going to adjust the cell number. So A2, A3, A4, A5, and of course I did it by 10, so it's easy to see that that calculation works all the way down. Now, if I wanted to take the calculated value and place it somewhere else, like in a report or something like that, I couldn't just grab it and sort of paste it somewhere else, because what it's doing now is it knows the cell was one left of that column. So it's trying to take G2 and add 10 to it. And of course there is 0 value in G2 and 0 value in the rest of the columns. But just as an exercise, let's paste it right next to the one we just copied. Now you can see it's adding 10 to the column on the left. And then I'm going to do it again, and again, and again, and then boom, column H is showing those values. The pound signs just mean that the columns aren't wide enough to show you the number. So now they are wide enough to show you the number. Copy and paste on the other sheet. And you can see it works there too. It's trying to figure out what the calculation is, where the calculation is at. And it doesn't paste on other sheets. But if I add one more sheet to get just the values, okay, I'm going to copy the calculation field and go to sheet 3, is that I'm going to go to paste special, and I'm going to go paste values. You can see that there's a couple different selections for the pasting of the values. I'm going to keep the source formatting. But once I paste it and I click on, you can see there's no calculation in that field. You're just getting the value. And if you skip back to sheet 1, you can see this goes from 15 to 80. And on sheet 3, 15 to 80 is just the values. So that's how you copy a calculation and paste just the value of that calculation.